lime, squeeze the lime, and then drop the whole piece in. This is the same, like a little technique. Like this morning for the juice, you need the bitterness a little bit. You know, the oil from the lime skin, the beautiful aroma. Smell your hand. Nice. That's what we want to be in there. So you press the lime skin, and after that, you put everything in. Now I'm going to show you how we mix it. We want to keep the texture, you know, crunch. We don't want to smash them too hard. See? Hard. You see street vendor when they do it? It seemed hard, but I didn't do hard. You see it like that?
Okay.
Yeah? After you mix them well, you taste it. If you like it, you have a serving place with cabbage. You see that? And you can eat with the cabbage. Yeah? Is that easy? Oh, okay. Cut it here and bring it here. Yeah, don't smash too much. You want to have a nice serving the chunk of the
now
bean.
what do I mix next?
Sauce.
The sauce.
See, one. Yeah? There you go. One. Okay. Taste it. You feel free to adjust.
Okay.
Taste. It has to be spicy, sour, salty, sweet, no flavor. If too spicy, add more sugar in there.
Where's the Batome one?
I will give you the red one, but half, okay? Are you sensitive guy too?
Well,
Big one like that, you see? Make it open, but you don't need to smash like a pin. Open just to heat a little bit. That's good. And then fish sauce, bean, and then fish sauce, tamarind sugar, okay? And that's it. And if you don't want to eat yet, we have a thing to cover, so we can cover them, right?
Yeah.
กับเนื้อยังแกะกับเนื้อยัง
บินแล้วจ้ะกลับแล้วจ้ะ
ทุกคนเป็นชื่อ